career planning, career management, and now Lassie is talking about career advancement. When will he stop? Never. I will never stop, as these are crucial aspects of our professional lives and have a big impact to our overall life here on Earth. But okay, let's not get too philosophical here. In this video, I want to take a proper swing at career advancement and what it is for you. Because career advancement is very individual and means very different things to all of us. Let's check it out. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with industry background, and I've had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented professionals just like yourself. And in case you're up for weekly career acceleration tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification right below. So career advancement, it's very individual, it's very personal, and it serves different purposes to all of us. During my coaching, we almost always touch on this topic, advancement, and what it means for my particular clients. I've tried to highlight some main career advancement objectives or definitions right here. These are for you to reflect and to find out what exactly is career advancement for you. Not for me, for you. How do you measure it, and what kinds of goals you need to set for yourself? Important is, there is no right or wrong answer. But it's very important to know what career advancement is for you at this particular point in your life. So let's cover up the easy ones, the no-brainers here. More Benjamins, more money. To some, it might be financial rewards and means, and that is career advancement. For others, it might be getting from a temp contract to a permanent contract, or vice versa, from permanent to the liberty and the risk of consulting. Depends on us. Then it might be a C-suite. Career advancement is a C-suite target for us. I will build my career in a way that one day I'll reach a medium or large company C-suite. That's a career advancement target. Also, your career advancement on a shorter term might be that you want to go up in the organization. Same functional area, for example, commercial or IT. It might also mean same level, not going up, same level, same functional area, but more expertise. You're happy, but you want to expand your knowledge, you want to learn more, but really you don't have any ambition to go up and take more responsibility and for your personal reasons. Another one is same level, same functional area, more balance. So this can be, you might want to stay in the same level, not for the learning, you're happy what you do and you like the routine, but more balance with the rest of your life. You can also, in some cases, have career advancement downwards. You might want to stay in the same functional area, but take a lower responsibility or a smaller team, smaller budget. Maybe you've traveled the whole world for years and years, and you just want to reel down a bit, deliver results, but not in the same role anymore. You want to have more balance. Another one is lateral move. Your career advancement might be a lateral move, different functional area, same level, or maybe you take one level below and then go up again. And that's really aiming for job satisfaction. You've identified that I need to advance, but I need to advance left or right. And finally, another one could be a foreign assignment or a global rotation if your company has it. Foreign assignment. You see that as your career advancement at this point in your career. I want to do a foreign assignment for a few years and then come back.
This is your captain speaking.
there you are. Once you have your own career advancement definition for the moment and for the future, and relevant KPIs in place, you can then start building the bridge to your next position and what it takes to build the bridge and what you might be missing. Maybe you have everything, what you might be missing. But we talk about that later on. And if you found this video useful, give it a like, share and subscribe for future videos to accelerate your career. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.